Hey guys, what's up? My name is Namit, and today our topic is how to get the user location, or you can say how to track user in Android. So guys, for this we will use this Fuse Location Provider Client, and previously we had this interface Fuse Location Provider API, but as this is deprecated now, so we will use Fuse Location Provider Client. And this is a class in which we have many methods. We have flush location, which is used to flush the previous locations, or get last location of user, or get location availability, or remove location updates, or request location updates. So request location update is like we will get location of user after some intervals, like suppose of take example of Ola Uber, and when driver is driving the car and you want to update his location on some Google map or some place, so you can get the location by using request location updates. And what it wants a location request, location callback, and looper. Okay, so guys, we will implement this and we will get the location updates after some intervals like 10 seconds or some like that. Okay, and to enable Google services location into your app, you will have to copy this line and put it into your app build.gradle app modules build.gradle here. Okay, and also one more thing, for permissions, for location, you need these two permissions from user. One is access course location, another one is access fine location. Okay, so guys, that's it from here. Now let's get started. And for this, I'm using main activity, and here I will create a Fuse Location Provider Client object. New Fuse Location Provider Client, and this is like this is context or activity. Okay, and to get the location updates, we need these three parameters. One is location request, another one is location callback, and looper. So let's create location request, and here location request equal to new location request, and this. And to in location request, we can set these locations, like these are things like interval, priority, max wait, number of updates. And let's set priority. So I want the most accurate location of user, so that's why I'm using high priority, high accuracy, you can say. And let's set interval, fastest interval. I'm gonna use 2 seconds here. This is milliseconds, and 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. So this is 2 seconds. And now I will set interval, and here 4 milliseconds, 4 seconds, 4000 milliseconds. Okay, so let's put it here, guys. Location, and here new callback, new location callback. Okay, and now create this two curly brackets and click Ctrl plus O, and you will get this pop-up, and from here enter. We need location result, and here paste get main looper. Get main looper is a thing like you will have to pass the UI thread. So this is get main looper is like UI thread of this activity or your locations activity. Okay, now this method require permissions, and permissions are like this one. Access course is an access fine location. So to make the process easy for location, I'm gonna implement this library. This is a library to get the location, like a simple method. So from here I'll put all these links into description. So for now, copy this line and paste it into your build.gradle. Here I have already done this. So now create location. So from here just copy this method and paste it here, and now alt plus enter, alt plus enter to import these, and alt plus enter. Okay, and here just change it to access codes, and from here access find location. Okay, and suppose if user don't want to give the permission of the app, then this library will show this pop-up, and this is the message of this pop-up, like location permissions are required to get user location. Okay, and this is a title of location pop-up. Okay guys, and from here this is a granted method, on granted. Suppose if user gave the permission, then this method will get called, but if they didn't give the permission, then this method will call. Okay, so for now let me create a new method for this thing, public void call permissions, and paste it here. Okay, and also create one method for this code, public void request location updates. Okay, so here we will call this method request location updates, and on deny we will call again this method call permission. So suppose if user denied the permission, then this method will run and our app will again ask for permission. And guys, we have this issue, it is showing, but we are asking permission here. So let's check out the permissions. If context compat dot check permission context this dot man, look, let's copy it from here. This permission is equal to permission checker dot granted, and copy this complete code and paste it here, and again now copy this one, paste it here. So when these permissions are granted, then this code will run, this code, this complete, else it will gonna call permissions. Okay, and let's here call permission again. So guys, I think we are done with our code. Now let's do testing. Okay, allow user location to access this device location. Now suppose if he denied, then we will get this method, this pop-up, like this one, location permissions are required to get the, now okay, and it will ask permission again, now allow. Okay, now we allow the, now it will, this method will get called and this method will run our. So let's wait for the location now. Sometime suppose, oops, sorry, let's print this location here, tag lat. Actually our, this is working, but we are not showing our, but we are not using our lat long, the lat long we are getting from user, we are not showing anywhere. So let's show it. Okay, so now guess let's run this again. Okay, now see, I got this location. This is like my emulator is not running anywhere, it's not going, it's not, this emulator is not driving, so that is why I'm getting this location. Okay, but suppose if real user will run this code, this application, then app will show this real latitude and longitude, and you can get this latitude and longitude from here, and you can draw them on your Google map and validate the user that your driver is going somewhere or like that, or you can send to server from here or whatever you want to do. Okay, so guys, from this tutorial we got the location in activity, and in next tutorial we will get the location in background. How to, like, for this, suppose you have to run your activity, but in next tutorial what we will do, get the location without activity, that is in background. Okay, get location in background and send to your server. So guys, if you think this video is worth, please like it, share it, subscribe my channel and hit the bell. And thank you guys. And also if you have some questions, doubt, you can put them in your comment section. Okay, thanks a lot guys. Bye bye.